Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit.
So today, guys, I am getting ready to go out and I'll be going to Costco. This is gonna be my first time going to Costco. I haven't gone to Costco before. I do have a Sam's Club membership and I do go there regularly. I'm sorry guys if you see me looking elsewhere. I'm just watching my 1-year-old and she's making a mess over here, and just in case you hear a noise, the kids are watching Bleepy over there. So anyway guys, so let's go to Costco together. I just want to go see what they are about and what they actually do have over there. So you guys should come with me and let's go on this adventure together. To be very honest with you guys, this TV I have never seen before. I do see the advert on TV, very slim TV, and I was amused. I have been going to stores, but this was my first time seeing it in person.
Driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive, nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah, I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight, but trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light. Alright, I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always stay.
So has anyone ever seen a red tilapia fish? I haven't seen a red tilapia fish before. I thought this was a red snapple. And also I am so intrigued that Costco has a lot for you to pick from compared to Sam's Club. I kind of feel like I've been wasting my time going to Sam's Club all this while when Costco was just around the corner. Although this Costco that I went to just got built, but the other Costco here in Indiana is really far. It's about, let's just say 30 minutes give and take, but this is about 12-15 minutes away from where I do stay, and I'm so glad to have been here. I will be showing you guys everything that I bought at the end, so just please stay tuned and keep enjoying this video with me, okay?
On the move, I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country.
Okay guys, so finally I am back from Costco and we spent about 3 hours because I walked down each and every aisle, and this is what we got. I got the red tilapia fish just out of curiosity. I want to know how this tastes, so that's why I did go ahead to get it. And I want to say Costco has a lot of varieties to pick from. It is worth it getting their membership. This is not paid. And I got this chicken, whole chicken, because I did see a recipe that I want to try out, which is stuffed chicken, and I kind of feel like this should go for a test, so that's why I got it. And this is a pack of sardines, which really tasted so delicious. As at the time I'm making this video, we've tried these sardines out and they're super delicious. I do love them. And I still have a couple of stuff that I did get, which is here. This book, I did get this book for Easy because Easy has already started learning at home before he starts school. For those of you that are here in America, Nigerians, if you know, kids don't start school on time compared to in my own country. So, and for this, guys, I have a thing for red velvets, so if I see red velvet I buy. And I don't make it for some reason, but I love it and I buy. And this costs $7.99, as you guys can see. Red velvet cake I prefer to just the normal vanilla plain cakes. And here is a box actually of eggs that I did get from Walmart that is finished, so we brought it out. And then here we do have cheese, which I got, and then some tangerines. This is supposed to be seedless tangerines, but as of yesterday when I was taking this thing, I felt some seeds and I was quite angry. But hey guys, I got this pack of tangerines as well from Costco. Not so bad, delicious, but had seeds in them. And these eggs from Costco as well, 5 dozen. And then here my mom is trying to make the sauce for the stuffed chicken. This stuffed chicken was delicious, guys, and we're just picking out spices. And here my mom has successfully stuffed the chicken. She did put it with some rice. She did put some rice in there, and see, this is what the final look looks like. This is the first time we're trying this recipe out, and I must say the second time we did try it, oh my god, it was super delicious. I am telling you, I kid you not, guys, I really did love it. So apparently it's ready. Whew, do you guys see all that steam coming from this chicken? Who knows a be better thing? Well, I did like it for the first time. This is my plate, my second plate, I guess, actually. Yeah.
wípé délé bọ̀bọ̀ délé bọ̀bọ̀. Olórí táyé lolú tí mo rí rí. Adábí tójú alákìtì kọ́. Ọ̀nà ẹ̀yà ibi tí mo rí.